So guys, this is how the blooms look like. As you remember, I had shown the entire video of this Echeveria noble. So this is how it tends to look like. Probably in a day or so they will open up and they will bloom. I will show you how they tend to look like. So this is how the bloom stalk looks right now. It looks absolutely beautiful, the pink flowers. Now the reason why I have let it bloom is because I want to collect seeds, and let's see how that tends to work out. As of now, the Echeveria noble is still doing quite well. She doesn't seem like she's much affected with the bloom, but I wanted to cut it off. But let's see how it tends to work out. Once the blooms open up, I will go ahead and show it to you, and I'll talk a little bit more in detail about them. So now my Echeveria noble has bloomed. As you can see, all of the flowers are opening up slowly. They will open a little bit more, but this is the time wherein the people who are into creating hybrids will start using a plastic cover over it. They will label it and they'll put a plastic cover before they see that this is opening up. Then they're going to take the brush and touch the portion over here, because this is not yet pollinated. The pollens are still present on the flower, as you can see. So this is where they will do the cross pollination, after which they will again attach a plastic onto it so that the pollen stay on the flower. So this is the process wherein they start to do pollination, and you can see it looks absolutely beautiful. Right now they are not pollinated. The pollens are still present on the anther. Very soon they will get self-pollinated, because I'm not doing anything. I've just kept it open, so either with wind or with insects they will get pollinated. The Echeveria noble is going to take a very long time. It has to get pollinated. After getting pollinated, it has to get dried. So I have Graptoveria over here. The flowers are already dried, as you can see. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to show you the seed pod of these. So they are completely dried right now. So I will try to break the seeds. So these are the dried flowers. So these are the dried flowers, which I will be opening and showing you the seed pod as well. So this is how it tends to look like. So this is where the seed pod is. It's very windy right now, so I'm just being a little careful. So this is the seed pod, inside which the seeds are present. You can see this. These are the seed pods. So we just need to separate that, and you need to break this portion. The moment you break this, you can see these. Now these are the seeds of Graptoveria. As you can see, it's going to be very difficult to. Now these are the seeds. All of that, what you can see, are seeds. You can see how fine they are. Now I have zoomed in. If I'm going to zoom out, you won't be able to see it. That's how fine they are. And let me zoom in again. So this is the maximum zoom I can do. And these are the seeds. You can see these were all inside the seed pod. I'm going to take out another one and show it to you. So this is the seed pod. So here I have taken some couple of more. You can still see there are a lot of seeds on my hand. Now let me burst this seed pod, and you will be able to see ample amount of seeds that are going to be inside this. So this is what you're seeing over here. These are all seeds. As you can see how small they are, you won't be able to see them. They're almost as fine as dust. And let me burst this one as well. And this is all the seed pod cover, and these are all the seeds that you can see over here. It's very, very tiny. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them in this cocoa peat thing. I don't know if it's going to even germinate, but there is no harm in putting them in this. So I'm just gonna add it in this. I have no hopes because this is not the season for them to have seeds, but nevertheless there is no harm in trying. So these in this pot. This pot has coco peat. So this is all that I have. I have added it. I'm not sure if this is going to ever happen. Anything is going to happen because it's not the growing season right now. But any which ways, we have the seeds. We have put them in the soil. I'm going to add a little bit more soil over it, and then I'm going to cover it with plastic so that the moisture is trapped within. So I have some garden dust that was filtered from the soil. So I'm just going to add some fine dust over it, and then I'm going to use a plastic cover. So now I'm just going to put a plastic sheet. I'm not sure whether the seeds are going to get germinated, but in case if anything happens, I will just keep you guys informed about it. So I've used this plastic sheet. I'm going to do a little bit of bottom watering so that the soil gets wet, and I can either spray them. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to keep it aside. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.